How to cook perfect lobster tail. Hi there, I'm Chris, and today I'm going to show you how to cook tender, juicy lobster tails right in your own kitchen. With just a handful of simple ingredients and a few easy steps, you'll have restaurant-quality seafood in under 15 minutes. Let's get started. Ingredients. First, make sure your lobster tails are fully thawed. If they're still a bit frozen, run them under cold water until thawed, about 3 to 5 minutes. Now let's make our flavorful butter paste. Brush each lobster tail generously with the garlic butter mixture, making sure it coats the exposed meat. Save a little extra butter for basting halfway through cooking. Preheat your oven's broiler on high and position the rack about 6 inches from the heat source. Place the lobster tails on a baking sheet lined with foil or parchment. Slide the baking sheet into the oven. Broil for 8 to 10 minutes or until the meat is opaque, firm to the touch and lightly browned on top. Halfway, around 4 to 5 minutes, pull the pan out and baste with the reserved garlic butter. Carefully remove from the oven. You'll know they're done when the meat is bright white and slightly browned on top. Transfer to a serving plate. Drizzle any pan juices over the meat. Garnish with fresh parsley and lemon wedges. Sweet, buttery, and perfectly cooked. You've just made restaurant-quality lobster tails at home. If you enjoyed this recipe, you will find it and all ingredients in the description below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more easy seafood tutorials. Happy cooking!